Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Friends, today also in this video I again came with a product review. So guys, if you are interested in this unboxing video, please proceed further. So guys, today I have is this Addis Spinna Mop with bucket. So here is the box, how it looks. Moving forward in this video, firstly I'm gonna unbox it, later I'm gonna review it, later I'm gonna give demo also, so keep on watching. So this is the box I got, and I got this for rands of 3.99. So guys, I got this box from Macro, so you can also book this in Takealot, etc. The packing is well done. And here it is. And here guys, this is the head of the mop, and you'll get two detachable microfiber head. So let me tell you what's inside the box. You'll get one piece of bucket, okay, then next is one stainless steel pole and two microfiber mop heads. So here there is an instruction sheet where all the instruction have been given, and I'm showing you how to fix it. So let me open this first. Guys, just insert on the head and just clip it on, so you'll get a sound of clipping such that it is fixed well. Now I'm gonna fix the pole. Just there is a thread, you just need to rotate it. And I'm gonna fix the head also. Also guys, you can make it smaller or longer according to your convenience. You just can push inside or you can pull it off and just clip it on as I'm showing in the video. So guys, let me describe. You just need to simply press the pedal to spin the mop head. Pick up the dirt and dust effortlessly for the string-free finish. Soft, thick microfiber strands get right into the corners, under units, along the edges also. Effortless cleans tiles and shower screen with the sparkling results. The easy ring pedal mechanism makes light work of wringing and mopping floors. The mop handle can be conveniently dismantled for ease of storage. And this is also machine washable. You can throw it off through your washing machine too. And it is 360-degree rotation. That is the best part what I loved is, and it is very easy to clean. You just No need to dry it in your manual method. So I impressed with the product. So guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. Thank you so much.